Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Nelia. Welcome back to my channel and back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I refresh my mini twists to get them to last just a little bit longer, okay? And what I'm showing you here is the Eau Grace Naturals Oh More Moisture Hair Wash. Okay, tongue full. But this is a really great hair wash because it hydrates and cleanses, stimulates hair growth, and also provides extra softness and manageability, which is definitely what we need for this refreshing, okay? So as you can see here, I'm mixing it with some water in an applicator bottle, and we're going to use this to apply it directly to our scalps. So for this particular video, I wanted to focus on the front section of my hair, mostly because of course that is the area where, you know, people most see your hair and where you can tell it's really getting a little raggedy. So I really do want to refresh the front area of my hair. You can also use this to just refresh your entire head if you want to, but today we're just going to primarily focus on the front. So as you can see here, I'm using the nozzle to really get that shampoo right into my scalp, into the roots of these twists. And you really don't want to skip this step, because if you skip shampooing, it's not going to come out as clean and pristine and as neat as it was before. So you really want to shampoo, remove all that extra gunk and product buildup, and start really with a clean, fresh slate. So you want to thoroughly rinse out that shampoo either in the sink or in the shower, and now we're going to follow it up with a leave-in conditioner. And for that, I'm going to use the Eau Grace Naturals Oh Goodness Leave-In Conditioning Spray. And this spray seals in moisture, detangles and combats frizz, and it's enriched with rose and jasmine oil, so it's perfect for what we're doing today. And I'm just going to spritz that on the ends, on the entire strands, and we're going to get to work. So there's a couple ways to redo these mini twists. You can do them one by one, which I recommend if you're short on time because you don't have your whole head to worry about. You can just do a few of these at a time. Or there's an even quicker method, which I like to do, which is just take them all out at one time and get to work. Following up with the Eau Grace Naturals leave-in spray and just detangling, and here we go, it's time to get started. So I already did a few of these already off camera, but here I'm just using the same products I used before when I did the first set of mini twists that you can see in my blown out mini twist video. But it's pretty straightforward. You of course want to have a cream and some kind of edge control. That's my favorite way to do this. And this edge control I think is a little different than the previous video. I think this is the Cream of Nature edge control, and I'm not a fan of it for my edges, but it did do a really great job of twisting my hair up for mini twists, so I recommend it for that. So overall, this process probably takes an entire hour just with the shampooing and detangling and things like that, but it's totally worth it. As you can see, they're super fresh and clean and neat, and just I love a good set of fresh, neat parts on some mini twists. But this will last me another 2 weeks. I would say I'll do this about maybe every 2 weeks if I feel the need. But look at that, just perfectly neat. And of course it's in the front, so it looks like you did your entire head even though you didn't. I actually also did the back a few days previous to that, and this is holding up pretty well too. So I usually just do the circumference of my entire head just to get that fresh look, and here you guys go. They're still holding up pretty well. I really like the method I chose with the blow dried method. Am I gonna always do it that way? Maybe not, but the stretch on this is amazing. All right, that's all I have for you guys today. Just a short, quick, to the point video. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave me a like if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already. Join the family, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.